Good afternoon and welcome to this presentation of Health Insurance Open Enrollment in New Jersey, What You Need to Know, presented by the Family Resource Network in cooperation with the Plainfield Public Library. I'm happy to welcome Greta Latbite from the Family Resource Network to tell us about not only the Family Resource Network's navigation, health insurance navigation team, but how to access coverage through Get Coverage New Jersey. Over to you, Greta.
Thank you, Jennifer. I'm glad to be here today, and thank you for having me. I'm going to share my screen and open up my PowerPoint. Sorry about that. A little bit of technical. All right. View. Okay. Great. All righty. So good afternoon and welcome to the Family Resource Network's Health Insurance Navigator presentation. So today we're going to talk about the different health insurance options that we have in our state, plus the added layer of open enrollment. A little bit about the Family Resource Network. We're a statewide organization and we have 3 affiliates: Autism Family Services of New Jersey, Caregivers of New Jersey, and Epilepsy Services of New Jersey. With our FRN Health Insurance Navigator program, we support absolutely everyone across the state, students, entrepreneurs, and everyone in between. So do not hesitate to reach out to us with any questions or anything else regarding health insurance. All right, so getting started with your enrollment. First, we're going to talk about the Get Covered NJ Marketplace. So this is the only New Jersey's home for finding affordable quality healthcare. So all plans on the marketplace are essential ACA health benefit approved. You can browse plans with experts like health insurance navigators, compare costs and benefits, and see what plans you qualify and what financial help you qualify for. Enrollment begins November 1st, so we're in the second week of open enrollment. If you sign up between November to December, coverage begins January 1st. And if you sign up in January, your coverage will begin February 1st. And the last day for open enrollment for 2022 is January 31st. So a little bit of information for the returning consumers. So consumers who make changes to their 2021 coverage in November must check their 2022 auto renewals to make sure those changes have carried over into the 2022 year. Changes made after October 14th will not automatically transfer. So it's really important to log into your account, connect with a health insurance navigator, and make sure that all of those changes and auto renewals are in place so you can be all set up for 2022. Consumers who are returning will have received an updated eligibility notice and will receive a renewal notice indicating whether their health plan was automatically renewed for 2022 coverage over the coming days. So who is eligible to apply through the Get Covered New Jersey Marketplace? So you must be a New Jersey resident, and this must be your primary residency, residents of the US and NJ for taxes, US citizens. If not, you must be lawfully in the US during your coverage period, and you cannot be incarcerated. So what type of information will you need for your household when applying through the marketplace? So you'll need your home and mailing address, birth dates of all household members, social security numbers, documentation for legal immigrants if applicable, employer and income information, and an estimate of your 2021 income. I know that a lot of families that I have assisted do not know the exact income number. So that's why an estimate is the best you can do. And if the income changes, it's more or it's less, whenever you find out, we can go in together into your application and make those changes. And then last thing that you will need for your information would be any policy numbers for any current health plans. Next, we're going to talk about the plan comparison tool on Get Covered NJ. So once you enter the few information that they ask for, it's like your zip code, your birth date, and then an estimated household income, you'll be able to get estimations for monthly premiums, covered doctors, yearly total cost, and financial assistance eligibility. Types of financial assistance. So in New Jersey right now, we're having record levels of financial help, and they are still available. For unemployment recipients, in 2021, some consumers did receive additional premium tax credits. So this extra saving is not available in 2022 under federal law. So other types of financial assistance are the premium tax credits, which will lower your monthly premium payments towards your insurance plan, cost sharing reductions, which will lower out-of-pocket costs like deductibles and copays, and then the New Jersey Health Plan Savings, which is additional help for people using the Get Covered NJ marketplace. So next, we're going to talk about how the American Rescue Plan Act impacts Get Covered NJ and health insurance. So more people now qualify for financial help. Previously, premium tax credits were only available up to certain income levels. And effective May 1st, 2021 throughout 2022, there are no longer income limits for consumers to qualify for financial help through the Get Covered NJ marketplace. So next, we're going to talk about New Jersey Family Care, which is separate from Get Covered NJ. So another type of financial assistance is New Jersey Family Care. This program is publicly funded by the state, and families that sign up for New Jersey Family Care receive free or low-cost health insurance. Qualifications are based on income, and the application for New Jersey Family Care can be routed through the Get Covered NJ application. So basically, if you fill out an application with Get Covered NJ, and based on the income parameters that you had put in, they will decide if you're qualified for New Jersey Family Care and automatically submit your application to them. So then you would just have to wait until New Jersey Family Care reaches back out to you, and then that's how you would choose your plan. So who can help you on the Get Covered NJ marketplace? They do have a customer call center, and then also you can search for local assisters in your area, like the Family Resource Network. So we are located in Mercer County, but we do support families and individuals across the state. So, my contact information will be at the end of this presentation. So you can always feel free to reach out and see, what questions you have, and we'll be happy to answer them. And also, I would like to add that certified experts like assisters come at no cost. So it is a free service. Frequently asked questions. So one of the most frequent asked questions is, what does the question about tax credits mean? So the question on the application is, did you reconcile premium tax credits on your tax return for past years? And there are three answer options. They're something along the lines of what I have listed. So the first option is yes, I've received and reconciled. So if you've received tax credits in 2021, or in 2020 with healthcare.gov, which was our federal marketplace, then you would click, yes, I've received and I've reconciled. The other option is, yes, I've received but not reconciled. So say you received these tax credits, but you did not reconcile on your tax form, that is the option that you would choose. Now, if you have never applied through the Get Covered NJ marketplace, then you would select, I have not received financial help before, or I only received financial help in 2020 and or 2021. So you will receive an IRS form called 8962 when filing taxes, and you will need to reconcile your premium tax credits based on this form. So this is one of the requirements of the Get Covered NJ marketplace, that the reconciliation of tax credits must be done. So this does not mean that you will have to pay extra. It just means that this information will be shared with your accountant on your tax forms, and then you'll be all set to go and be eligible for premium tax credits in the future. The second question is, what if I switch jobs, my income changes, or my household size changes? So this means just to remember that any updates or any changes that are made, you need to report on your account and application within 30 days that the changes are made. Again, with the estimation aspect of estimated income for 2022, changes are more likely to happen than not. So it's not a problem to go in, submit additional documents, and report those changes. And these changes are going to be really important when taking into consideration the financial help that you will be eligible for. Now I have a section for questions. I know this is a recorded session, but Jennifer, are there any other questions that come to mind that we can address during this time? All right.
I can't think of anything off the top of my head, but I think that perhaps people should know that they can certainly reach out to the Family Resource Network or other healthcare navigator organizations to get help if they have further questions.
Absolutely. Absolutely. All right, so now we're getting to the contact information portion. So we do have an email address, which is frnnavigator@familyresourcenetwork.org. You can email us with your name, phone number, and if you have any questions that you want to include in the email, and then a certified health insurance navigator will reach back out to you. I do want to add, if you do have a language preference, you should note it in that email. We have certified navigators that speak Spanish, Russian, and Lithuanian. Our agency phone number for the navigator program is 1-800-355-0271. And also, if you're leaving a voice message, please leave your name, phone number, and then any questions that you may have or requests. And then our website is www.frnnavigator.org. On our website, we do have a few pre-recorded webinars about open enrollment and coverage to care. So it is a really good resource for additional information on our marketplace and New Jersey Family Care. Right, and here we have my contact information. My direct line is 609-802-6605. So you may also use this phone number if you want to directly speak with me and set up an appointment. And yeah, I think that is all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Greta, for making the time to record this for us. If you have questions about this program or any other program at the Plainfield Public Library, you can call us at 908-757-1111 or go to our website at www.plainfieldlibrary.info. If you go to our website, you will find a button for our YouTube channel where these and other programs are archived. Thank you again, Greta, and have a lovely day.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me, and have a great day as well.